doing some quick mechanical testing on my reel-to-reel. One thing I learned not to do is to get too ambitious replacing the old really thick grease that was on some of these pivot points, because some were supposed to move slow, like the tensioner arms and the quick tension micro switch. The problem that caused is now I have some tape bounce when I hit play. Switch is opening a little bit too fast. In fact, I can push on that switch manually. You can see the tension change in the tape. Let's see here. Make sure all this works. The thing that was causing my audio problems is actually the head change switch. It can be adjusted by sliding these screws back and forth, or loosen these screws and move the whole assembly. I gotta check that out later. Took care of the capstan speed problem after replacing those caps on the motor circuit. This is higher speed here. Hopefully both these speeds are running at the proper RPM, because I can't listen to it without the amp hooked up. Just making sure that mechanically everything works. So it looks like all I have to do is make some more adjustments and use some grease that's a little bit thicker on these tensioner arms. They're too snappy. And back here, there's a plastic arm on the auto stop switch. I don't know why they had to use plastic on one thing. You know, everything else in here is metal, and they make one thing plastic. Well, that plastic is falling apart, and the set screw that holds the metal arm in that the tape rides on broke through the plastic. So I ended up having to super glue that together. Picked up a new reel, take-up reel, used on eBay. It's got some scratches, but better than that plastic piece of junk I had. Check how my auto stop works now. It should be a lot quicker. There we go. The switch was sticky before, and it would just keep going. So, a couple more things to do. They'll be in good shape mechanically. And just got to get a handful of caps for the amp block, and it's going back together. Probably next weekend.